updated to iOS 26, but the eSIM option has disappeared? You're not alone, and this small glitch is stopping many iPhone users from activating their numbers. It might seem minor, but without fixing it, your phone can't connect properly. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to bring the eSIM option back in seconds. Let's fix it right now. Step 1. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to turn this feature off completely. Step 2. Update your iPhone software. If the problem is still there, you'll need to check for updates. First, open your settings. Then tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to fix any software bugs. Step 3. Reset network settings. If updating didn't help, here's the last step you can try. Again, go to the settings. Now tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Now confirm. This will reset all network-related settings to their defaults, including Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.